Everyone, Chuck here with Frank Bacon Machinery. Going to show you the final product of our 60K Satec CS. This was a pretty unique machine, a large screw-driven 60K machine. Our customer needed quite a bit of opening. This unit actually has 96 inches of opening, both in tension and compression. Beautiful T-slot. That's actually an adjustable T-slot as well. It can come up to 2 different levels here. And of course, it got our Frank Bacon retrofit, new electronics, new drive and motor. On this unit, originally had a 3-speed gearbox, now retrofitted with our new Yaskawa direct drive. MT Genius controller and software. This customer's got some large parts that they're going to be doing a compression test on, so this unit was really the perfect fit for them. It's a large part. They need a lot of strokes, so the screw-driven system was really the only option. Beautiful machine, one of our favorites that we've done. Contact Frank Bacon with any of your test equipment needs.